I made ChatGPT code an entire game! And not in 2 hours, not in 1 hour, as you see in other videos, but in 30 minutes. Can ChatGPT do that? Let's find out. As always at the beginning, I asked ChatGPT to create a 2D game, and from Unity Asset Store, I downloaded a asset for my player. From the assets we downloaded, I added a sprite and named it as player. In our hierarchy, I want to have these items: a main camera, a player, a game manager, an obstacle spawner, and a canvas. After this, I want to add a box collider for our player and edit its property to match our player. Also want to add a rigid body. Now remember, all the things I did is all mentioned by ChatGPT. I am not doing this on my own. I made a script folder. This is where all our code goes in. Here we want to make 4 different scripts: player controller, obstacle, obstacle spawner, and game manager. Player controller is for the player to move in left or right. Obstacle script will manage the obstacle components, like its speed, when to destroy itself, etc. Obstacle spawner will spawn the obstacle in a random position inside a range. I made 2 text in Canvas. One is score and another is game over. And in game over text, I changed the font to red and resized it to match the screen. I added a square sprite and named it as obstacle, and changed the sprite color to red for a obstacle vibe. Then made it as a prefab and deleted that from my screen. Added a box collider to the prefab, then changes the tag to obstacle. And I made sure to enable is trigger. Then I added rigid body 2D to my obstacle prefab. Now it's time to add the script to the game objects. I added the game manager script to game manager object and dragged the game over text and score text to the corresponding field. Added the object spawner script to this game object and assigned the obstacle prefab. Added the player controller script to the player. And added the obstacle script to the obstacle prefab. Now let's run our game and look how it works. Oops. Didn't add a place where the player can stand. Let's fix that. Add a sphere first. Then stretch it so it can fix the whole area. Repositioning it so the player can stand in it and stay inside the camera. Let's run again. I hope it will work properly. Yeah, it did work. And if it hit the obstacle, the game over text will pop up. And you know what's crazy? I still have 9 minutes on the clock, so ChatGPT really cooked here. Thanks for watching. If you really love my video, subscribe for more content.